What's up guys, this is Bright Science YouTube channel and we are back with another video with another interesting questions for you. Today I have taken the topic about sweat. In this topic we are discussing about the most important questions about our topic, and the question is why the taste of the sweat is salty. And I'm sure that we all are familiar to the sweat because we are facing the hot summer of this year. And you know how much hot is above 45 degree or maybe touching the 50. So in this topic we are going to discuss about some questions like why do we sweat, is it good to sweat. So there are many different questions we are going to discuss, and but what a awkward question is really, that means who wants to taste the sweat? Nobody wants to, but here is the deal. We all know that the taste of the sweat is salty, but how we know? The answer is we may have ever tasted it. That's why so there are many different questions we are going to discuss in this topic, and the questions are just, the first question is that why do we sweat, and secondly we'll see that is it good to sweat, and third and finally we'll see that why does the taste of the sweat is salty. So let's get started. So let's see first, why do we sweat? As we know that our body optimum temperature is about 90 degrees Fahrenheit. But when we do exercise, our body temperature rises, and then our brains send a message to our sweat glands by telling them to produce sweat. This process is known as perspiration, and that is the way our body cools down itself. The average human being has over 2.5 million sweat glands, and that is so huge. Okay, that's all happened. But what next? When sweat reaches the surface of our skins, it starts evaporates. And that is how. That is, air turns the sweat from a liquid to a vapor. This creates a cooling effect that helps to lower our body temperatures from that have increased. That is why the more you exercise, the more sweat is produced in order to continue the cooling effect to our body. And one can ask questions like, how much a person normally can produce sweat? The answer is, a normal person can produce about 1 liter per hour. And that is in case of cooler climates. We are not talking about hotter climates. But what in hotter climates? In hotter climates, people can produce 2 to 3 liters sweats per hour. That is so much. Okay, now come to the main questions of our topic. The question is, why the sweat is salty? In order to understand the answer of these questions, we need to know how sweat is made up. Sweat is mostly made up of water, though there are some amount of other chemicals compounds like ammonia and urea, and these are produced by our body when it breaks down protein from food and that we eat. Also, sweat contains sugar and salt, and that is such as sodium chloride and potassium. And this explains the salty taste of sweat. Now come to the final part of our topic, and the question is it good to sweat? Many people don't like to sweat, and that is why. That is because they don't like the wet feeling. That is obvious. Also, its smell is like wet. But sweat does not sting. It is the bacteria on our skins that mixes with sweat, and that gives a foul odor of sometimes. So what happens if you stop sweating? Here are some consequences, and these consequences are some serious ones. Here it is. If we stop sweating, our body could quickly overheat, and that may lead to sickness and even death possible. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you guys learned something from it, and to contribute a big support to us, to make sure to subscribe our channel and never forget to share with your friends. So again, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.